Luke, what are we doing today?
So today we are on the search for sloths.
Ooh, interesting. Where are we gonna find these sloths?
Funny story. So there's an island somewhere over there called Sloth Island, which apparently has like 50 odd. The problem is we don't actually know exactly where it is, so we were left with the vague instructions of it's about 5 minutes from our dock and head out at 11:30. So that's all we've got to go on. So it is really a bit of a treasure hunt for them.
Nice. But first,
so we were making our morning tea, and I went to go pick it up and almost burnt my whole hand off because, as I did so, voila! And apparently the rubber at the bottom melted as we did it, so we now no longer have a kettle.
Are waiting patiently for some eggs. They've already been fed, so none for y'all today. Sorry, pups.
Let's go see some sloths. So this is Pina, and this is our ride to Sloth Island. So unfortunately we're unable to leave the dock because a certain member of the family has decided not to let us go. Is that right, Rigby?
So we think we found Sloth Island.
There's palm trees just over there, so
Yeah.
I assume this is the one.
We're thinking this is it, so we're gonna have a peek and see if we can find any sloths.
so we see some leaves moving up there, so we think maybe there's a sloth, but we haven't spotted him yet, but we're keeping our eyes open. So we found a sloth. You see him? Luke found him. right in there, there's some leaves moving. There's a couple sloths, but they're so camouflaged and we can't actually go on the island, so we can't get up close. But they're definitely there. Every now and then you'll see a little arm. Luke is the expert sloth finder. He has found all of them. He's got a good eye. Find us another one.
I'm trying.
There he is. He's looking right at us. Let's see if we can get him to wave or move. Yeah, he's beautiful.
Like, we're so lucky. You can see, like, I'm here and it's just up there. It's super close and it's like the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Keeps looking right at us. We're just waiting for him to wave, but it looks like he's pretty chill. Might be asking for too much. Don't want to disturb his zen.
Yeah, so I'd call that a pretty successful day of sloth hunting. I think we've seen about 3 and we're so lucky to have got one like that close. Like, it's really awesome. Hey guys, thank you for coming with us to search for sloths. We hope you've had fun watching this video. We've had a great day here. And if you want to see more of our adventures, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can find us on Instagram, on Twitter at Ellis Abroad, and also check out our website in the bio for all our blogs that we update and more upcoming videos.